So here inside my Unity project, I created one C# code for player control and trying to open it on Visual Studio. And it shows this unsupported issue. If I click OK, yeah, so it doesn't actually show the code. Or another way, we are also able to just open it, click from here. So it is able to show the code, but it is just only a single code, nothing connected with the solution project. So this video, I'm going to fix the issue. What we need to do is that we hit edit and then preferences. And now external tools. Remember to select Visual Studio, your version, and then we check all of these. We select everything under generate.cs project files. Okay, we check everything. Let's try it again. So even though there is one error, but at least it's able to be opened, and all of the solution files, Unity files are here. Okay, that's everything. See you in my next video. You will find how to solve this error.